Learn how to create poll on YouTube from this video. Let's just get right into it. In this guide, we're going to work with our Chrome browser. All right. If you are using mobile, that is the YouTube mobile app, you can still follow along. It's the same process. So I will launch my Google Chrome browser. Okay. Visit youtube.com. Once you log in successfully, you will be on this home screen. Okay. Click on your profile icon, which is usually at the top right. Then select View Your Channel. You'll be taken to a page that will look like this. Click on Post. Once you get here, you see image, you see image pool, and you see text pool. So here we are going to focus on the text pool. All right. But whether you're using image is still the same step. So I'll click on this. So now ask your question. All right, and my question reads, have you made up to 100 USD on YouTube in a month? That is for content creators on this platform. Then add options. So click on this first one and then add your answer. So here I have yes. Click on this second. Here I have no. Then if you want to add another option, just click here. So I want to add another option, and this one will be I'm not yet monetized. So you can see here it says I'm not monetized yet. All right. So choose your answers the way you want it. Then after that, if you want to add more, click on this add another option and then click on post. But if you want to schedule it, click here, select schedule and set your date and time. Let's say I want to post it, so I'll click on post. So and this is now live on my YouTube channel. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Check out this video here to learn how to schedule a post on YouTube. Thank you and see you some other time.